Auzubillahiminnashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Class 8th, subject English. Topic: A nation's strength. Last part, text questions. Dear students, we have completed the reading. Now we have to answer these questions. Let us start. Now the first question is, in the first stanza, the poet wonders about certain things. What are they? First stanza, उसमें शायर क्या कहता है, किस बात की हैरानी करता है, तो उसका जवाब को देना है. आंसर: इन फर्स्ट स्टैंजा the poet wonders how a nation achieves greatness, how it fights with its enemy, how foundation of nation is built. Question number 2. What are the foundations of a strong kingdom built on? Answer: the foundation of a strong kingdom are built on the brave men who renders countless sacrifices for the sake of truth, honor, and greatness. Question number 3. What happens to a nation which depends on army to keep it strong? A nation which depends on an army to keep it strong never remains in possession of the same for long. Question: when a nation becomes proud, what does God do? Whenever any nation gets blind with pride, it suffers the wrath of God. Question: can wealth make a nation great and strong? Answer: wealth cannot make a nation strong and great, because the real strength and greatness lies in the brave and courageous men. Question number 6. What can the brave do? Answer: the brave can sacrifice their interest in the interest of nation as they don't care for personal loss. Question: explain the following lines. They built a nation's pillars deep and lifted them to the sky. Answer: the brave men lay the foundation of their nation very deep and take the nation to highest level of glory through their sacrifice. तो बच्चों, ये आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन था, तो ये हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया. उम्मीद है कि आप इसको अपनी कॉपी पे साफ साफ लिखेंगे. जहाँ कहीं पे प्रॉब्लम आएगी तो आप मुझे फ़ोन पे कॉल करेंगे. तो इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि आप इसको याद भी करेंगे. तो लर्न करना है तो इसके साथ साथ लिखने की भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. तो एक्सरसाइज भी कीजिए. और कोविड-19 जो आज चल रहा है, दूसरे फेज़ में दाखिल हुआ है, तो आप SOPs को भी फॉलो करेंगे. घर में भी, घर से बाहर पहले निकलना ही नहीं है. मास्क का इस्तेमाल कीजिए, सैनिटाइज़र का इस्तेमाल कीजिए. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. खुदा हाफिज़.